If you are a site engineer working 10 to 12 hours a day, handling everything on site, but still feel stuck, underpaid, and replaceable, this video is for you. I was once in the same position, and today I'm launching something that can change the direction of your career as a site engineer. Most site engineers are extremely hardworking, but the problem is hard work alone will not scale your career or help you grow. You will gain experience but not clarity. You will gain responsibility but not career growth. That's why even after 3, 5, or even 7 years, many site engineers are still stuck at the same pay, same rule, and the same frustration. I have worked as civil structural engineer, cracked opportunities at multinational firms, and have mentored hundreds of engineers who were confused what to do next. And the one thing in common was they were never taught how to grow beyond site execution roles. That's exactly why I created Site Engineer Career Transformation Program. This is not any other course and it's not any motivational content. It's a step-by-step roadmap specifically designed for site engineers who are looking for better roles, better pay, and better work-life balance and the career growth in their career. Inside this program, you will learn how to move from only site work to career-driven office roles, what skills exactly matter for your growth, how to position yourself for roles such as QS, planning, project management, design, or other MNC roles, how to stop feeling lost and start making intentional career decisions, whether you want to grow on site or transition out. This program gives you clarity. This program is for site engineers with 0 to 8 years of experience, engineers who are feeling stuck despite working hard, and anyone who wants to stop surviving and start building a real career that pays well. If you're just looking for shortcuts or certificate, this course is not for you. If this resonates with you, check the link in the description. I've explained everything there. The curriculum, structure, how it works. Your career won't change just because time passes. It changes when you decide to take control. I'll see you inside the program. Hello, civil engineers. So here we will see about the detailed content of what you are going to learn in the site engineer career transformation program. What are the contents and all the other details. So as you know, so this site engineer career transformation program is structured into 4 phases. First, we'll have the introduction, then phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. I'll explain in detail in each of the things what you will learn. So first thing in the introduction, you will learn why you need to move from site. So before starting, it is very important why you are enrolling in this program. Obviously, site engineering job is having a lot of problems. I'm sure many of you are already aware of what are the problems are. So your salary is very, very less. You are not doing any technical works. You are doing only labor and material management. There is no work-life balance. You're working Sundays, even holidays, Diwalis, Christmas, everything. So there is no work-life balance. In all of this, the career satisfaction is missing. So in detail, we'll discuss what are the problems, why you are moving away from site, then a little bit background about me. So this is the introduction. If you go to phase 1, so this phase 1 consists of mindset shift. Now, what does mindset shift means? If you are a site engineer, your thinking will be in a certain direction. Like you are only focused about the execution. You will see only, okay, today concreting has to be done. Today slab concreting or column shuttering, whatever. So excavation needs to be done today. Like this, you'll be your mindset shifting. But your mindset needs to be changed if you want to move from site roles. So in this phase 1 mindset shift, we will first see what are the career paths that are available in the civil engineering. So in this program, I have discussed 6 career paths, that you can uh, pursue in site office roles. So structural design, project management, building information modeling, quantity surveying, contracts, billing also have discussed. So for all these, 6 career paths in detail, I will discuss. So what are the career paths? Then mindset shift required for each of the roles. For example, how you need to think if you want to move to structural design. If I want to show you here, I have given practical examples. So how should be your thinking? For example, say if you are a structural engineer, I have given practical examples from my own experience, how you need to think, what you need to think, how should be your mind, how should you change your mind to think from site to the design. So all of that I have given practical examples in this mindset shift if you are moving for structural design. Similarly, for all these things, whether you want to move from site to project management, whether you want to move into BIM or building QS and everything, how should be your thinking, that I have first discussed in the phase 1. Then after that, I have discussed 6 to 7 office roles, but which one is suitable to you? That we will discuss here, because for everyone it may not be the same job office role. So here we will discuss which is suitable to you. So this is all about the phase one. So if you check phase two, so phase two is all about skill building. For example, for each of those office roles, we will see what are the skill buildings required. For example, structural design, project management, building information modeling, quantity surveying, billion contracts. If I give one example, structural design. So for all these 6 to 7 domains, we will see for each thing what are the concepts you should know, what are the softwares that are used, and how do you acquire those. So this is the most important. So people ask me, how do you acquire knowledge or how do you learn the software if you want to move into design? So in detail I cover these three aspects: what are the concepts you need to know, softwares you need to learn, and how you will learn. And even I have provided the free trainings. There are so many lot of free materials also. So for such detail for all these things: project management, BIM, quantity survey, billing, contracts, estimation, I have discussed in detail what skills companies or MNCs will ask you. So this is the most important and the lengthiest phase in the site engineer career transformation program. Then comes phase three. So phase three is all about your career assets and branding. What does it mean? We will discuss three major things here. First is the resume, then portfolio of project, then personal branding. So resume, I have reviewed hundreds of resumes. People write a lot of unnecessary info. They don't know how to showcase their skills. When they say they have 2 years, 3 years of experience, that they are not able to showcase in the resume. So that we will see how you need to showcase your resume. We'll also see portfolio of projects. Many site engineers are having no awareness about what is portfolio of projects. If you want to move to the site, this is a compulsory requirement that you need to have a project portfolio. We will discuss in detail how you will prepare project portfolio. I will share also the sample project portfolio. Then personal branding. Personal branding, we will learn in detail what is personal branding, why it is important for civil engineers, and how you will build. So many, when I say personal branding, many civil engineers are not aware what personal branding means. So we will discuss in detail what personal branding means and how you can how it can help you in your this shift. So this phase three is all about three things: resume, portfolio, and personal branding. Then comes phase four. This is transition and breakthrough. Means this phase is for the job search, like how you will apply to the jobs. From all the previous phases, you have learned all the necessary skills. You have learned how to make your perfect resume. You have learned how do you build your personal brand, everything. Phase four is about job search. Here I will sit with you live and I will tell you how to apply for jobs, because many people complain they have applied to hundreds of jobs but they haven't received a single reply from the recruiters or HRs or the companies. So I will tell you how I apply and job searching methods that work in 2026. So this session will be live. All the three phases are in a recorded mode. This I've recorded in January 2026. So it is as per latest, industry practices and my 7 years of experience, how I moved from site engineer to office role. Because even I started my career as a site engineer. Now I am into design. So this is a hybrid course mode, means you will get recorded session, and phase four is completely live. I will sit with you. I will understand your problems, all the support during entire these 4 phases during the site engineer career transformation program. I will be available one-on-one hand holding support for any mentorship or all the queries you may be having. So this is about the career transformation program. The link to enroll will be given either in the description or comment section to enroll. So yeah, see you inside.